Good evening and welcome to GCMS News, coming to you live from our studio in GCMS Africa, Kano, Nigeria. Today, Friday, being the 30th January 2026, which is equivalent to 11 Sha'ban 1447 after Hijrah. I am Hamza Douda Adamu with the news. First, the news headlines. Resident doctors issue 4-week ultimatum to federal government over unpaid salaries and allowances. Anambra State government mandate Monday school resumption threatens closure of defaulters. Burkina Faso military government dissolve political parties. And now the news in details. Police in Benue State have shot dead 4 suspected armed bandits during an attack on a checkpoint in Orokam community or Badigo local government area of the state. The police public relations officer DSP Udema Edet disclosed this in a statement on Friday, saying operatives attached to the Operation Zenda Joint Task Force repelled the armed attack on Wednesday. According to her, the incident occurred at about 5 p.m. when officers on routine stop and search duty intercepted a black Golf 3 vehicle at the checkpoint. She said the occupant resisted the search and, in an attempt to escape, 2 of the suspects pulled out AK-47 rifles and opened fire on the officers. However, Edet said the operatives responded swiftly, leading to a gun battle, during which 4 of the suspects were neutralized, while one armed suspect escaped into a nearby bush. She added that firearms were recovered during the operation. The Nigerian Association of Resident Doctors, NARD, has issued a 4-week ultimatum to the federal government to fully implement outstanding agreements on salaries, allowances, and welfare, warning that failure to do so could lead to the renewed industrial action. The decision was taken at the end of the association's National Executive Council (NEC) meeting and scientific conference held in Jos Plateau State from January 25 to 29, 2026. In a communique signed by its president, Dr. Muhammad Suleiman, NARD said the 4-week period was granted as a final opportunity for the government to meet its demands. However, the association acknowledged the intervention of the Ministry of Labor and Employment and the Integrated Payroll and Personnel Information System (IPPIS). Nothing in progress in the payment of salary arrears and the reinstatement of disengagement doctors at the Federal Teaching Hospital Lokoja. Therefore, NARD also disclosed that promotions arrears had been forwarded